Hi guys. Let me introduce our lawyer, Tom. He'll explain how to register a trade name in Alberta. If you want to use a name other than your legal business name, you will need to register it as a trade name. Filing a trade name does not establish a new business. A trade name is simply a nickname for the business you already have. You can use a trade name if you want to name your numbered corporation, or if you want to drop a legal suffix and make the name more simple. What are the registration requirements? Registration of trade names is a provincial responsibility. You can't register it federally. When choosing the name, we advise to include two elements: distinctive and descriptive words. No legal elements like Inc. or Limited are needed for a trade name. Alberta Nuan's reservation report is required to register a trade name. Provide the business address. It must be a physical address in Alberta. The mailing address can be a P.O. box. Who is the owner of a trade name? A trade name can be registered under the ownership of an existing corporation. A valid Canadian photo ID or passport is required to register the trade name in Alberta. Add useful business supplies like a personal stamp or a domain name. Business Alberta Online can register a trade name in just 2 business hours. Visit businessalberta.ca and get the trade name today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Business Alberta Online for more great videos.